Candace Carter thoughts to go. The artist was present. Well, we have done something. We took the picture down. The picture's in the hall now. The big picture that I have spoken of many a time of Studio. Here it is on its side in our hall, and will be taken to its next home within the next few weeks. So, what does the studio look now without the picture? It looks like this. Rooms are never the same. They change. They evolve. His studio is evolving. And we filmed this. In the next film, after I do this in German, the film after that will be just the film of my friend Sebastian and I taking down this picture and looking what it does to a room when you look. There's more light now. For example, we have light from 2 sources. The room is evolving. People and rooms and places never stay the same. Sometimes we don't want them to evolve. Sometimes the time's not right. The time wasn't right yet for this. It is now. I can let go of this. I can begin to look at things more closely. The things that he kept, why did he keep them? What is in this room otherwise that was hidden? So, there's also another little friend over here. It's Finny. Finny loves this room too. So Finny. Huh? Let's say goodbye for now. The artist was present. I will do this in German. And we have a new room view. Tudilo's studio is evolving. Take care till the next time.